So where do we start? And pow, my number one system that I think you ought to put in place before you do anything else is map out your entire year. Yes, the entire year. You get a calendar, and it could be these fancy ones. And if you want to order these, find me and I'll tell you how to order them. Or you can do the Life Touch calendars, or you just go to Amazon and buy undated calendar, staple it up on the wall, start putting the dates in. What you do in this system, let me just take a quick second talk to you about this system, because I'm all about systems. Get your district calendar, write in everything that's professional development, early dismissal, those kinds of things. Then you get your state assessments, because everybody knows their state assessments for 2 more years. Write out all of those, so you got that. And then maybe your instructional division department person has said, hey, we're going to do interims on these days and CBAs on these days and common assessment. Write all that out. Then you go your obligations, your pictures, pep rallies, bicycle rodeos, all of that. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Here's the process. Not that I recommend you get on a step stool, but get down and dirty. Get your pack of vis-a-vis. And what I did was